So you've smashed or damaged your iPhone again, or it suddenly stopped working. Point is, you need a phone repair ASAP because not being able to access Insta, Snapchat, TikTok, or Facebook just isn't an option. Plus, not being able to access pictures, contacts, and appointments makes the whole thing 10 times worse. Have no fear. Ray's Fonexchange is here. Not only can we get your iPhone screen fixed within 45 minutes, but you get to keep all your pictures, contacts and documents. Not a single thing lost. And more good news, your shiny new iPhone screen replacement comes with 12 months guarantee. Yep, a whole year's guarantee. Also, don't forget we do Apple iPad screens, which also come with 12 months guarantee. To book your device in for repair or find out more, simply visit our website at www.racefonexchange.com or contact us by phone or email. We look forward to seeing you soon. Warm regards, Race Fonexchange.